Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia and you see me right now very very vulnerable because I have zero makeup on, I have zero skincare on because I thought that we can get ready together for the day. I have an exciting day and I wanted to just, like sit down, do a little bit of a very natural makeup and chit chat with you. So let's go. I think I will bring you a little bit closer, but not too close. I think this is better. So hello, welcome back. We are very close and personal together, but I wanted to tell you a little bit more about my day because it's very exciting. As I said, today we have two very important appointments. First appointment is going to be my hair facial remover, removal. So I have booked an appointment for laser. I'm doing the Alexandrite laser. In the past I was doing here in Luxembourg. Actually I was going to Germany, but still here in Luxembourg I was doing APL, I think it's called, like with it's a treatment with light. And I have to say, because I was doing my legs and then I had a little bit of like over here I had like one or two hairs that it was like very bothering me. And what happened is like, okay, I was like, maybe we can just do some treatments in order to get rid of these, but in the end it got worse. I don't know if you can tell by now with the camera, I hope not, but I have to say that I feel very insecure when I am not doing these treatments, and I'm very happy to go back. I'm going into a new salon that they will help me get rid of all, the hairs that I have in my face. And yeah, hopefully I will start feeling a little bit better. Because I'm doing this treatment today, my skincare routine, like the morning one, should be very minimal. Actually also in the afternoon as well. So I'm just going to use this water sun gel from Tree. It has like, in my last video I think I said it was a Japanese brand, but actually it's a Korean brand. And what I usually do is like, I go directly and I apply, and I don't forget the neck as well. I really need to have no actives on my skin. That's why I'm only using this moisture. It's not a moisturizer, this sunscreen that is, it acts also as a moisturizer because it is very hydrating, very lightweight, but at the same time very hydrating. So because I have this treatment, I will not do anything regarding makeup on this area over here because it will get the treatment. So we will focus today mainly in the eye area, and I need to, like cover this pimple over here. But this is going to be very simple and very minimal. I will start using this concealer from Dior. This is the Backstage concealer in the shade 1N, and I will just do it under my eye area and also covering this little guy over here. And it's so funny because I was talking, I think like 2 videos ago, that I am very lucky with my skin lately. I have like no like active pimples, and I'm very happy with my routine, and I'm very happy with my routine, the products that I'm using. But it's funny because like 2 days after, boom, this guy over here appeared, and it lasted, I think it's like almost 3 weeks. And I started using a specific product that actually helped me get rid of this, in a sense of, it was these pimples that they are very like painful and active, but under the surface, so it never, got out, let's say. So I couldn't do anything, so I had to wait and wait and wait, and it was like a painful waiting. I really like this concealer because it melts into the skin, and I never felt like it gets cakey, especially under the eyes. So yeah, I was using the NARS concealer, but now I'm mainly using this Dior Backstage concealer. I will set the concealer with the powder, this loose powder from Givenchy. This is the Prisme Libre, the number 2. It's the Satin Blanc, and this one is not the correcting one, but it's the one that brightens the area. So I'm going to do that now. And after I set up the concealer, I want to go ahead with my eyes. I will not do anything special, but I wanted, for some reason today, I craved like a brown eyeliner. So I'm using this Kryolan HD cream liner. So it's like a brown one, and it's already cracked. It means like I have it like almost a year now, and no, it's more than a year actually. I got it last year when I was doing some workshops with them. So this is the cacao shade, and I will take just a small detailed brush, and I will go ahead and do a very small wing. And then to set it up, I will just use a brown eyeshadow in order to, you know, not smudge on my eyelid. I will continue with the face now, and then I will do mascara. The way that I do makeup is like I'm going to the face, I'm going to the eyes, I'm going back to the face, going back to the eyes. I always do it like this. I always have actually mascara at the end, like finishing my makeup. And yeah, this is the way I do it, but feel free to do however you want. I will do a little bit of a like bronzing or contouring my complexion with this Atelier, Westman Atelier bronzer, or like it's the Face Trace Contour Stick. So yeah, I really like this product. I'm using it every single day, and the way I use it is just I'm taking it directly from the tube, and then I will go to my face and apply it. I have a more detailed video that I did on how I do my everyday makeup, the makeup that I do literally every single day in order to go to the office. So I will link it down below so you can see, because I'm talking a little bit more about the products and how I apply them and how I use them. So yeah, if you're interested, just, you know, click the video. And still I haven't told you about the second appointment that is the most exciting. Right after I finish my hair removal appointment, I will go and I will do my hair. And for me, it's like really not common to go do my hair. I haven't had my haircut like since a year ago. I did like last time I was in Greece, so it was I think July. I had my hairdresser appointment, and yeah, that was it. It was just also a haircut. So today I'm going to the hairdresser, and I will have a haircut, but I will do like a balayage. And I'm very excited because I wanted to do something with my hair, but I'm always scared and afraid. Like, this is my natural color of my hair. I don't have a dye, anything. The only thing that I did to my hair like in the past was do a little bit of like an ombre in the ends, but I've never like dyed my hair. So I'm very, let's say, conservative on what I do with my hair, like how I cut them, how I treat them. And yeah, I'm very excited because it's going to be the first time that I will do something that, I don't know, I feel like by doing this I feel more of a grown-up. It's very weird to say, but yeah, I feel like this is the era where I enter, you know, my more like woman life. I have no idea how to, you know, like explain the feeling, but yeah, I was always kind of like scared to do this, and I decided it's time for me now to do this because it's the perfect timing, right? Then I will just give a little bit more life into my cheeks by using the Patrick Ta for Face blush palette, which is this one over here, that I'm using it religiously every single day, especially the middle color over here. And I really particularly like the cream blushes. I'm not using that much the powders, but the cream ones are amazing. And I will just slightly add a little bit of color over here. I want to do a little bit filling on my brows. Like, this is my natural brows, but I want to fill a little bit like the front portion of them because they are a little bit like sparse over here, and this is going to be it for the brows. I will use this pencil from NYX. This is the Lift and Snatch brow tint pen, and I don't remember what is the shade. I think it was like biscuit. espresso, sorry, yeah. And then for my lips at the moment, I'm going to use this Laneige Sleeping Care Lip Sleeping Mask. And yeah, I'm just going to take it from the pot. And last but not least, we have the eyelashes. So I'm going to curl them and use this NARS mascara. This is the Climax mascara. And I like this one because it's quite natural. It gives volume. So I'm going to use this one today. So the hair color that I will ask, it's going to be like, I'm not sure if I should go with a more like brown reddish like balayage, or more like on the blonde side, but not blonde, but like this bronzy. Actually no, should I go with more like of a bronzy balayage, or should I go more of a golden? Like I'm not sure what is going to look nice on me. So I'm a little bit stressed. I hope that the person who is going to do my hair is like a good one, because also it's quite expensive here in Luxembourg to do this, but I am willing to pay the price because I really want to do this change. And I am going, of course, to let you know. I will film the process. So in the next video, normally I think that I will you will be able to see my hair. But of course, if you want to, you know, have a more of a regular update, I am uploading more videos on TikTok. So if you want to follow me there, I will have also the handle on the description box below. But yeah, this is the makeup look for today. As you can tell, like you still can see through my skin. I have, like I said, like this pimple, and I covered it a little bit with a concealer, but still you can see it through, and I'm okay with this. It's not about being perfect, it's about like looking a little bit more presentable. So I'm really liking this, yeah, this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. I will get ready and I will show you my final get ready with me like outfit, hair, the makeup, you saw it. And yeah, before I leave, I have a guest over here that wanted to show up. Hello, Luna. And now she wants to go. Okay, so this is the outfit that I will have today. As you can tell, very simple. Black top from Zara. This is actually a body. Pants also from Zara. The belt is from COS. And then I'm wearing for my shoes my Birkenstocks. Come on, focus. Yes, the Birkenstocks. Very, very simple. I just wanted to, you know, have something very comfortable, and these pants, actually, they're quite big for me, so I chose specifically these ones today because I know I will just sit on the chair for a really long time, and I didn't want to have something that will, you know, like push me in the belly area. For my hair, I just left them as they are. I only added Liludi. She just went on the bed. So for my hair, I just added this hairspray in order to slick back the updo that I have, which is like just a simple ponytail, like a low ponytail. And for my perfume, I have this Glossier You, I think it's called, Eau de Parfum. And yes, I'm ready to go.